Cosmos DB in Microsoft Fabric is a fast, flexible way to build with NoSQL data that's tightly integrated into the Fabric platform. In this video, we'll run a Cosmos DB query right inside Microsoft Fabric. You'll need a Cosmos database for this. You can watch the previous video or read the docs to create your own. The database in this walkthrough has a sample dataset already loaded. This dataset represents a collection of products, each with various properties. We'll use SQL-like syntax to pull data from our sample container. In your Cosmos DB database, open the sample data container. Select New SQL Query in the top left to open a new query editor. Then, run a test query. Alternatively, you can run your container with T-SQL with the SQL Analytics Endpoint. In the Analytics Endpoint page, select New SQL Query in the menu bar. Open a new query editor, then run a test query. Ensure that you see the expected data. You can sort, filter, and transform JSON data, all with familiar SQL syntax. Try it yourself and follow the Cosmos DB YouTube channel for more.